नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियाओं। I'm JVN Professor Minju Sharma. Program name BA BEd, BSc BEd, JAD-BC, PCM, 7C. Course name Inclusive Education, Guidance and Counseling in School. Module name Integrated Education and Inclusive Education and their merits and demerits. I welcome to all in university class. Today we'll be discussing about the integrated education and inclusive education. An integrated classroom is a setting where students with disabilities learn alongside peers without disabilities. Inclusion is the actual merging of special education and regular education with the beliefs that our children are different, will learn differently, and should have full access the same curriculum. Successful inclusive education happens primarily through accepting, understanding, and attending to student differences and diversity, which can include physical, cognitive, academic, social, and emotional. There are at least 8 factors to success identified by the National Center for Education Restructuring and Inclusion National Study. Visionary leadership at all levels, educator collaboration, refocused use of assessment, support for staff, students, and staff, effective parental involvement, collaborative teaching models. Successful inclusive education happens primarily through accepting, understanding, and attending to students' differences and diversity, which can include physical, cognitive, academic, social, and emotional. There are many diversities of a learner: general education and inclusive education. Strategy to promote inclusion in school: excellence in teaching and learning. Ensure that the educators have the proper training, flexibility, and enough resources to teach students with diverse needs and learning styles. Promote a positive learning climate, embrace students' diversity, encourage student interaction. Inclusive communication: recognize that people communicate differently and encourages the use of a variety of techniques. By being aware of and incorporating inclusive communication skills into everyday exchanges, the chances of positive and effective interaction with all people are increased. Inclusive communication recognizes that people communicate differently and encourages the use of a variety of techniques. By being aware of and incorporating inclusive communication, communication is very solid resource of education. Inclusive communication skill into everyday exchanges. The changes of positive and effective interactions with all people are increased. Inclusive education is nothing but an education imparted without discrimination of caste, creed, sex, or physical status. overall ignored in education setup. The differently abled children come together to acquire knowledge and education in the same classroom. This policy based on a belief that education is the birthright of every individual and nobody can be denied of this side. Children come from diverse backgrounds and they may differ from one another in their physical abilities, mental capacity, and even have different styles of learning. But they enjoy all the privileges together. They remain in the same classroom, participate in all the activities of learning as other children to do. Advantage of inclusive education. Children learn to respect their own individuality and also that of others. Students enhance their emotional quotient as they develop patience, tolerance, and compassion for their peers. They learn to accept the strengths and weakness of others. When children involved in helping their peers, they not only divert immense satisfaction out of it, but often strike lifelong friendship with them. India is a cultural mosaic. They strive for unity in diversity, and an inclusive school provides opportunity for playing together. Unity in diversity. Unity in diversity is major, very important for our nation and our classroom and our inclusive education. Learning together. There are four pillars in education: learning to be, learning to know, learning to do, and learning to live together. So, four pillars are very important. Learning to live together. And inclusive education also learning live together. Being together and growing together with diverse communities. Main motive of inclusive education. There are learning together, being together, and growing together with diverse communities. Children learn teamwork and collaboration in inclusive schools. Children come from diverse backgrounds. Role of school leader. Infrastructure should be planned for accommodating all types of learners. For example, provision of elevators or ramps would be helpful to accommodate physically challenged children. Large classrooms and playgrounds attached to school would bring down issues of indiscipline as children can release their pent-up emotions. All the teachers need to be trained in various teaching strategies to satisfy different types of learners: oral, auditory, visual, and kinesthetic. There are four types of learners, so that learning becomes meaningful for every student in the class. Teachers need to be trained in designing their lessons, cater to different styles of learning of their students. Teachers need to be sensitized to handle all the children with compassion by respecting individual qualities of children. Introducing buddy system or peer strategy in classroom make children responsible and helpful to each other, and learning transaction becomes better. Concept of inclusion in education does not confine merely to classroom walls or school compounds, but it brings about changes in the attitude of children and adults towards their life in general. One learn to accept the strengths and weakness of others and get along with each other. This ability to adjust and adapt is a valuable trait needed in every individual so that they develop excellent interpersonal skills, empathy skill, sympathy skill, enhancement, knowledge enhancement, leadership skill, and live in harmony. Such an attitude helps in understanding each other and can solve a majority of relationship problems faced in today's world. In this way, children develop their emotional intelligence. There are three intelligence: quotient intelligence, emotional intelligence, and spiritual intelligence. Emotional intelligence are very important for all learners. They build up their career through emotional intelligence. List of conscious of an inclusion classroom. It forces students into a cookies cutter model of learning. This structure can disprove the learning environment for other students. Some physical disabilities require a special classroom configuration. This process cannot be rushed if it is to be successful. Educational disadvantage is demonstrated in many ways, most often in poor levels of learners or participation and achievement in the formal education system. There are other ways in which children may be disadvantaged. For example, as a result of a disability, literacy difficulties, ill health, poverty, overall are disadvantages. Disadvantage of the modern education system. Lack of social interaction, online learning courses are self-paced courses. It makes the learners difficult to develop a relationship with their peers. Limited social interaction and no face-to-face interaction. Disadvantage of inclusive teaching. Special schools and special classroom within regular schools were pieces in which children with special education needed were accommodate, upbrings, and educated, and regular school with a overall. The inclusive education opened the doors of the regular schools, regular teaching, and for the children with special needs. But what is important to emphasize is that the process of inclusion of children with special needs required changes in many segments, changes in overall organizations of the regular schooling. Because the inclusion of these children does not mean only their placement in regular schools, but inclusion in regular classes should ensure and provide quality upbringing, educational process for them. Thank you.